Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the new topic addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. In the previous lecture, we have studied the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Means if the denominators are same, then how to do addition and subtraction? Directly add or subtract the numerators. But if the denominator are not same, means the fractions are unlike fraction, then what we will do? So first we will study by using the diagram, and then from that we will directly find out some rule for doing such type of addition or subtraction. So first example is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. Here denominators are different, means these are unlike fractions. Now first we will draw 2 upon 3. So first we have drawn a strip. We have divided it into 3 equal parts and we have colored 2 parts of this strip. So this colored part means 2 upon 3. Let us show the fraction 2 upon 3 by coloring 2 of the 3 equal parts. Now in this we have to add 1 upon 6. Means here denominator is 6. So there should be 6 equal parts of this strip. So these 3 parts we will divide again into 2 parts. So this part into 2, this part into 2, and this part also divided into 2. So total we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Now this much is 2 upon 3 and this much is also 2 upon 3. And if we talk in the language of 6, then this colored part is 4 upon 6. Means 2 upon 3 bolo या 4 upon 6 bolo. Meaning is same. That means 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6 are equivalent fraction. अब हमें 2 upon 3 में 1 upon 6 को ऐड करना है. मतलब ही हमें 4 upon 6 में 1 upon 6 को ऐड करना है. तो एक पार्ट और कलर कर दो तो टोटल कितने हो गए 1 2 3 4 5. सो 5 आउट ऑफ 6. सो एडिशन इज 5 आउट ऑफ 6. मीन्स हमने क्या किया 2 upon 3 को उसके इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया. क्यों ऐसा किया? बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट द डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल. मीन्स इन शॉर्ट अगर अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस का एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन आता है तो पहले उसको लाइक में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है और फिर ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है. जैसे कंपैरिजन में भी अगर अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस है तो पहले लाइक में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है तभी कंपैरिजन होता है. वैसे ही एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी पहले लाइक में कन्वर्ट करो उसके बाद ही एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. So let's see some examples. 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 5. So smallest common multiple of these two is 10. So we will change the denominator of both fractions to 10. अब पहले हम कैसे करते थे? दोनों फ्रैक्शन को अलग अलग लेके कन्वर्ट करते थे, पर यहाँ दोनों को साथ में करेंगे क्योंकि एडिशन करना है. So first fraction multiply with 5 plus second fraction multiply with 2. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 5 is 10. Plus 2 into 2 is 4. 5 into 2 is 10. अब दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल हो गया. मीन्स दे आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. नाउ हाउ टू ऐड लाइक फ्रैक्शंस? कीप द डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज and add the numerators. 5 plus 4 is 9. Understood? So multiply this fraction by 5 and this fraction with 2. Now one more example. 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16. Here if 8 2s are 16. So if we multiply this fraction with 2, then we will get the denominator 16. और यहाँ पे 16 तो ऑलरेडी है क्वेश्चन से, तो ये फ्रैक्शन को कुछ भी नहीं करना है चेंजेस. only we will multiply the first fraction with 2. So 3 upon 8 into 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 16. Now 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16 and 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 16. Now जैसे एडिशन किया सेम वैसे ही सब्ट्रैक्शन. हियर 4 2s are 8, तो सिर्फ इस फ्रैक्शन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो 8 मिल जाएगा. डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएंगे. सो राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन इक्वल टू 3 upon 4 into 2 into 2 minus 5 upon 8. Now 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Denominator are equal, means they are like fractions. So subtract the numerators. 6 minus 5. Answer is 1 upon 8. Now this example, 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. So here 5 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, 3 5 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. So cross multiply. This fraction multiply with 3. This fraction multiply with 5. So 4 upon 5 into 3 into 3 minus 2 upon 3 into 5 into 5. 12 upon 15 minus 10 upon 15. Now denominators are same. Subtract the numerator. 12 minus 10 is 2 upon 15. In this way we have to add and subtract the unlike fractions. Now let's begin with problem set 22. First question is addition. So let's begin. First one is 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. Now here 4 2s are 8. मीन्स ये फ्रैक्शन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में 8 आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज़ प्लस सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. दोनों तरफ क्यों मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि जब ऊपर और नीचे दोनों जगह करेंगे तभी ये और ये इक्वल रहते हैं. इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. नाउ 1 अपॉन 8 प्लस 6 8. Now like fractions are there, so 1 plus 6 upon 8 means answer is 7 upon 8. Now the second one, 2 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. Now 7 3s are 21, so first fraction we will keep as it is and second fraction we will multiply with 3 into 3 into 3. Now first fraction again as it is plus 9 upon 21. 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. Now denominators are same, so add the numerator and keep the denominator as it is. So answer is 11 upon 21. Now the third one, 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Here we need to change both the fractions because 5 is not a multiple of 3 and 3 is not a multiple of 5. So this fraction we will multiply with 3 plus second fraction we will multiply with 5. Now 2 3s are 6 upon 15 plus 5 upon 15. This is equal to 11 upon 15. 6 plus 5 is 11 upon 15. Now the fourth example. In this example, again 2 is not a multiple of 7. 7 is not a multiple of 2. So cross it. First fraction multiply with 2 2 plus second fraction multiply with 7 7. ये फ्रैक्शन को इस डिनोमिनेटर से और ये फ्रैक्शन को इस डिनोमिनेटर से. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Now denominators are same. So 4 plus 7 upon 14. Answer is 11 upon 14. Now the last one of addition. 3 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5. Again cross multiplication, 5 plus second fraction into 9. Now 3 5s are 15, 9 5s are 45 plus 3 9s are 27 and here 45, which is equal to 15 plus 27 upon 45. So answer is 42 upon 45. So like this you have to do addition, and in the same way we have to do subtraction. So let's start the subtraction. First question, 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो 20 मिल जाएगा. So 3 upon 10 into 2 and second fraction as it is. Sorry, here we have to give only minus sign. So by mistake I have given here equal sign. Now 3 2s are 6 upon 20 minus 1 upon 20. Now denominators are same, so subtract numerator from the second numerator. Answer is 5 upon 20. Now the second one. Again first fraction as it is. क्यों? क्योंकि second को 2 से multiply करने के बाद 4 मिल जाएगा. So into 2. 3 upon 4 as it is minus 2 upon 4. So subtract the numerators. We will get 1 upon 4. Now the third one. 6 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. Again first fraction as it is minus second fraction multiply with 2. So this will be 6 upon 14 minus 4 upon 14. 6 minus 4 upon 14. So this will be 2 upon 14. Now the fourth one. 4 upon 6 minus 3 upon 5. Here 6 is not a multiple of 5 and 5 is not a multiple of 6. So multiply first fraction with 5 minus multiply second fraction with 6. So 4 5s are 20 upon 30 minus 18 upon 30 equal to 20 minus 18 upon 30. So answer is 2 upon 30. Fourth answer is 2 upon 30. Now the last question. 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Multiply first fraction with 4 minus multiply second fraction with 7. So we will get 8 upon 28 minus 7 upon 28. 4 2s are 8, 28, 1 7s are 7, 28. So this will be 8 minus 7 upon 28 means it is 1 upon 28. So in this way you have to solve problem set 22 in your notebook. Complete this problem set in your notebook. Thank you.